Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting the Apple TV to an HDMI port and powering both devices. Pick a stable Wi-Fi network next. Sign in with your Apple ID so purchases, subscriptions, and home data sync. Enable two-factor for secure access. Once done, update TV OS to the latest version to get performance and security fixes. Make sure Siri and location services are enabled so voice control and region settings behave correctly. That gets you from box to a responsive system ready for apps. You now install the apps you need. Streaming services, utilities, and games, organize them into folders so navigation is fast. Adjust display and audio settings to match your TV, choose 1080p or 4K, toggle HDR, and set the refresh rate to 60Hz or the best compatible option. Once done, enable AirPlay and pair Bluetooth devices, like controllers or speakers. Connect HomeKit accessories for one-touch control. Make sure audio output matches your sound system to avoid lip sync or volume surprises. You finish by testing playback. Launch a 4K or HD stream, check video, audio, and subtitle behavior, and use Siri to search hands-free. Learn a few remote shortcuts. Press and hold for voice, swipe for fast scrubbing, or install the iPhone remote app for typing. If buffering or network issues appear, switch to Ethernet temporarily and restart the Apple TV. If problems persist, reset settings while keeping your Apple ID credentials handy. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the TV and Apple TV together to clear handshake and HDMI CEC glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.